Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Christopher Watson. Christopher Watson, please. What are we going to do on Mr. Watson here?
He had signed up last time we were here, but
What was the date?
we come for on Watson last 3/31/25.
You're Christopher Watson.
Yes, sir.
23 CR 1254 is now called the State of Texas versus Christopher Caleb Watson, who is here with Mr. Adams, his attorney, and state's attorney is here. Does the defendant waive formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about April 25th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of burglary of a building. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a state jail felony like this, you face confinement in the state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty and sentenced to 18 months in the state jail. Restitution is ordered in the amount of $600. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How are you going to pay the restitution?
I don't know.
How are you going to pay the restitution? They need to get, well, that their plan needs to be in place before I accept the deal. I mean, I don't have to take this deal. The victims want their money back for the loss.
I didn't pitch restitution.
Hey, yeah, sir.
I didn't pitch restitution, so you just came from you. Restitution.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to take a deal if you don't have the money to pay. You can just sit it out for 2 years.
Judge.
No, that's what people want. People want to shake.
Hang on.
You're going to get them.
What is the restitution for?
It's
for.
You broke the front door glass.
Yeah.
I guess it's probably for that. That looks like what the damage is. And it could be that much. If it's a big door, it's all glass. But it's not a debate. It's they put me at it for they said they're owed $600. And I deal with the people. They're just not defendants in the trial. You got victims.
Yes.
And victims have a say. There's a loss. And we're going to try to accommodate them when they are lost. Now, on a loss, people will say, why are they making a deal? And I'm out the money. What did they do to get a deal? And I have to deal with those directly, sir.
For you.
Sir.
For you.
Sir,
Oh, what's your judgment on the case?
it's 600. You're going to have to pay $600. I'm not going to take the deal, sir.
600 is not days.
Sir, I'm sorry. What'd you say?
600 is not days. It's money.
600. Okay, fine. I understand that. I don't have to take a deal.
So I
So we'll just put it on the trial docket, and when it gets around to getting ready for trial, we'll try. That's what we'll do.
I don't know what restitution is.
Restitution is payment for loss,
Oh,
and the people say they lost $600 worth of something, and it's apparently the glass that was broken when you burglarized the building. I don't see another loss, but that has to get paid.
but it was lost.
$600 lost, and they're going to say, "Why did he get a deal if we're out
He
the
didn't get a
money?"
deal. He didn't get one.
Sir,
He didn't get a deal. He
sir.
got a deal canceled. His deal got canceled.
Yeah.
All
You
right.
can serve 2 years is what the law says. You can serve up to 2 years. And that's, and a deal, and a plea agreement, look it up. There's no right under law for that. There is no right under law. And you're looking at up to 2 years. That's what the law states. And I don't have to accept it. It's a privilege that's trying to move cases. But if the people say we need our restitution back, they're going to get accommodated. It's not right. If I was injured and they got a deal, well, that's nice. Where's my $600? There's no way you can find that money. There's no way somebody can help you with that.
No, you don't give that chance. You don't give that kind of chance. You're gonna let me out of jail. I was gonna get the restitution money, and then we just weren't gonna do that because there was restitution
this wasn't
money,
a probation.
and now I'm not gonna do it.
This wasn't a probation.
So 6 more months. Then 6 more months.
This wasn't a probation.
Over 600.
Okay. No, we just said for trial. That's all. I didn't know. Thank you.
You gotta know how to decide something, Judge. You gotta decide something. You can't,
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You don't make the rules in this courtroom.
No, I make decisions. That's why I make decisions.
The law does. The law says you have a right to a trial, and we will accommodate that. We'll set it for trial. Thank you.
200 days.
200 more days.
And that's what we've got to deal with, I guess. Just under 2 years, I got this.
Well, that's 20 minutes of our life we'll never have back.
Today on Watson.
Did you have something today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had something today, which I think it was something that we signed previously. So I said,
That was for the 18-month state jail. That's what we signed up last time when we were here.
But I need him to swear in front of me if he's gonna play.
Are you going to be pleading guilty today, sir? And this is 100. No, it's not 18 months.
Yeah.
180 days.
it shows 180 days, I think.
That's just 6 months.
What is?
Whatever it was they signed up for last time is what I
How
signed
much
today.
time does he have credit?
Yeah.
He's got to have that kind of credit. He's ready to go.
You can get out of jail today.
He won't get out today, thank you, but get out in a few business days.
How much time does he have credit for? Do you know?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
He got.
He's getting closer.
Last time we checked, I think he was at 85 days, something like that. But he has more than enough time on 180 days.
Okay.
Yeah,
586 days. Is that right, sir?
I don't know.
But, I mean, that sounds about right.
It's a long time.
It's a long time. I mean,
Hey, I'm ready to be.
are you? Okay. This says you're going to be pleading guilty, sentenced to 180 days, which means you'd be getting out. Is that what you're going to do? Is that your plan?
No. You told me. You said that I had to be guilty.
Well, you're going to be. You have to be found guilty. You don't have to plead guilty. You can plead no contest if you want.
I already pled no contest.
No, that's not the way I do things here. I've done this for 19 years. If you plead no contest,
Well,
that's
look,
fine.
if I-
But you have to hold on.
Yeah.
Sometimes people
At
plead
the
no
year
contest.
mark, will you release? Will you let me out of jail?
You get credit. I can't do that. I can't do that, but you're credited. There's no reason for you to be staying in jail.
Yeah,
in
can I
another
go?
moment.
Can I go because you offered me
look,
time served last time I
So
was
once again, sir, I can't do that. The people make the deal and then I approve it. Then I send it you. Then it goes through the processing. And if you've completed your time, you leave. I don't keep you in.
No, he's asking if his case is still pending at 2 years, what happens to him?
Well, it's a state jail felony. If you don't take the deal, we got to set it for trial and it'll be put on the trial docket. But my trial docket today was 3 pages long. It just gets set with everything else. I can only try one at a time. I've tried 600 jury trials. I can only try one at a time. You don't have to plead guilty. You can plead no contest.
No, you told me that I was guilty and that I had to
You
be.
have to be found guilty and no contest has to be supported by independent proof. And then I make a finding of guilt. Yeah.
Well, what do you suppose now? What do you change it to?
Anything else you want to say? I'm not changing anything, sir. Do you want to plead or not today?
This is communicating. We're communicating.
All right, it's set for trial.
Today.
It's set for trial. That's all.
When,
That's all.
when people come,
We're set for trial. It's set for trial. If you're not going to plead guilty, it's not a debate and it's not a time to grandstand, sir.
This is your fault.
Golly.
I told you.
It's only about the 10th time this is falling apart.
It's a political thing or something.